simplysimplestamping.com. Thank you guys for joining me for another 2-Minute Tuesday tip. I want to share with you a little tip that I use all the time in my stamp room, and that is prepping my vanilla and my whisper white cardstock. Let me show you what I mean. So this is a very common size of cardstock for me that I would put on top of a colored piece of cardstock that is 3 3/4 by 5 inch. Another common one I use are the pieces that go inside my card. I do make these a little bit larger most of the time, 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. But here's the thing, I tend to use these a lot, and I want to share with you how I just go ahead and prep those pieces. They're always ready to go. So for my larger pieces, those are 4 inch by 5 1/4. So I just cut 2 pieces at 4 inches. And my little tip here I want to share is when you're using your paper trimmer, always slide that upwards. It's going to keep your paper nice and straight. Now I can rotate this and I can cut these 2 pieces at 5 1/4 inch. And you can see very quickly I'm going to have 4 layering pieces for the inside of my cards. For my front layering pieces, these I just cut at 3 3/4 of an inch by 5. Again, you can see these cut very, very quickly. This is something to do while you're binge watching Netflix, because I know you guys do. So we can cut this remaining piece 3 3/4. Hey, look, I even have a great scrap piece there, and I'm going to save that because I'll be able to use that to punch some sentiment. So I always hold on to that. And there we have it, layering pieces ready to go. So whether you need those for the inside, whether you need those for the outside, it's always nice to be ready and you can get to creating. Guys, I hope today's 2-Minute Tuesday tip was helpful. Be sure to join me next Tuesday for another tip, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.